Welcome to Western Finland, just outside the city of Vasa in 2019 in the late fall. I want to show you where your food comes from, so join me as I take you to my second home and we go from some late harvesting to packing to delivering to the grocery stores. We harvested green kale, dark green kale, and red kale. There's a little bit left in the field, but we took almost all of it. Time to warm up and have a coffee pause. Now we have packing of vegetables to be delivered to local grocery stores, schools, and large kitchens. And there it is, from harvest to store. Hope you enjoyed.